Let's get ready to get started.
Exhibition clash between the Bears and the Ravens. The Ravens are hosting here and want to be able to keep the home field advantage going as we get ready for this one. Chris, what is the key in this matchup?
Well, guys, I think you said it best, home field advantage. This team needs to come out and rally early to get the fans on their side. If you have thousands of fans screaming and cheering, you feed off of that and you can turn it into some positive stuff on the field. This should be a great game in this one.
All right, Chris, with that in mind, it's game time. And we've got two teams really ready to rumble. Nobody will catch him. Touchdown on the return.
Having a kickoff return guy that can return at the distance is such a huge advantage for a team. That's why you're seeing more and more teams around the league drafting guys that can take it to the house.
The Ravens get the first touchdown of the game. Condon adds the extra point. Baltimore is just about ready to kick this one away. Knox is back to receive the kick.
You have to like the effort there, but he would have been better off taking a vacation day and just staying in the end zone on that one.
That brings out the seventh-year man out of Vanderbilt, quarterback Jay Cutler. They'll start at the 14.
As traded from the Denver Broncos in 2006.
Forte takes it up the middle. Now when you look at this offense and some of their key players, you realize that with guys like Matt Forte from Tulane, they're going to use a power running game.
Yeah, you're going to need more than one guy to bring down Matt Forte. He's a tough, bruising running back that really is the embodiment of the position.
And Chrissy is definitely primed to be a performer to watch in this one. It seems when you talk about great defenses, you can't help but think Ed Reed out of the University of Miami. What an intelligent football player, Chris, who by himself is a significant game changer.
Yeah, and maybe no player in the NFL impacts an offensive game plan like Ed Reed, Gus. Every time you put the ball in the air, he's not only a threat to pick it off, but also to take it back for 6 against you.
Madden fields it at the 48. He got everything he could, but there really wasn't much room. I'm sure the rainy conditions don't help the situation. Out comes a grad of the University of Delaware. He's a blue hen, Joe Flacco, who passed for over 10,000 yards in his first 4 seasons combined. Touchdown, Baltimore.
When you have a back with that kind of vision, those big guys up front don't have to hold their blocks for very long because they know he's going to find that hole quickly.
The PAT is up and good. Time winds down here in the first with the score. The Ravens, 14. The Bears, nothing. He makes it out to the 20. Condon was there for the stop. They'll get the ball here at the 20. It's 1st and 10. Just gets it away.
And even though that one doesn't go down as a sack, that's one of those that the quarterback remembers and probably rushes him just a little bit on the next throw.
By the ball, hawking Ed Reed was there to bring him down. It's third down, 10 yards for first. Here's the snap, and the defense is all over it. Another sack by the defense, and you have to expect that this pressure, Chris, they're generating is going to have an effect on the way he plays.
Yeah, absolutely, Gus. This guy is known for being a mobile quarterback, so don't be surprised if we see him try to tuck and run next time they get some pressure on him in the backfield.
They'll take over at the 49-yard line. First down and 10. Still looking for an open man. Going deep toward the left sideline. And the tackle was made by Charles Tillman.
This guy's arm is really something, isn't it? He's not afraid to make any throw at any time.
Gets away from it. Touchdown. And already this one is looking like it's out of hand.
Well, we've seen stranger things happen in the NFL, but this one is beginning to smell like a blowout.
Takes the snap, and he's in trouble. The quarterback had no chance on that play. Talk about raw determination by the defender to get into the backfield.
Yeah, not a lot of pretense on that play, huh? He is so strong. It seems like he can bulldoze through these huge offensive linemen almost at will. They're going to need to find a way to double team him if they ever hope to keep him off their quarterback.
And that opens up room for other defenders.
Yeah, exactly. And that's another reason why he's so dangerous. You need two guys to shut him down, which allows one of the other defenders to get after the quarterback unblocked.
The stop was made by Terrell Suggs. 2nd and 7 situation here. He's dropped, and that's a huge sack. And that'll be the end of the first quarter. Our score here, the Ravens, 20. The Bears, nothing. That brings up 3rd and 10. Ball on their own 18. He's going deep. So we'll probably see the punt team now after that incompletion as the offense goes 3 and out.
And it really looked like the defense won the battle up front. The big guys controlling the line of scrimmage made the difference there.
Signals for the fair catch at the 40. And it's pretty apparent that just about everything is working for these guys today. Has a man to his right. He's wrestled down right around the 44-yard line by Tino Isamoa. It's 2nd down and 6. Goes through his progression. Dumps it out left. And he's knocked out at the 49-yard line. Now we have a first down and 10 to go. Searching for an open man. And they get to him. He goes down again amidst a heavy pass rush.
Yeah, that's something he's got to improve if he wants to reach the next level. It's almost like he takes himself out of the play the moment he hears footsteps. You just can't keep putting your team in a hole by taking sacks. Just throw it away.
And not to mention, he takes an inordinate amount of hits.
You know, that's a good point, Gus. The NFL is really geared to protect the quarterback, but when he has the ball, he's going to take some shots.
Surveys the field. Is he going to score? Baltimore's back in the end zone. This one's getting out of hand. Complete disaster on the field. Extra point is good. Baltimore is ready to kick this one off. Manning is deep, looking to return the kickoff. He'll down it in the end zone.
The Bears have had a long day so far, and if they don't make something happen on this series, well, you're going to see these players getting more and more frustrated.
Going down the middle with it. And he's tackled right around the 46-yard line by Landry. They get to him in the pocket and bring him down for the sack.
Makes the sack on the play. Loss of one.
He's looking towards the left side. It's picked off. And the tackle was made by Devin Hester. Wow, he closed on the ball quickly and came up with the interception.
Yeah, he took a risk going for the ball there because he didn't have any help behind him, but when you're that good at closing and attacking the ball, you can certainly afford to gamble occasionally.
And it's amazing what talent will let you get away with. He's knocked out of bounds at the 14-yard line.
Pretty tough assignment for a 34 defense to try and cover 4 wide receivers. Typically here, you end up bringing in extra defensive backs to help against these wide receivers.
This has become a real nightmare scenario. They just keep giving up points. Touchdown, Baltimore Ravens. Condon is good on the point after. Baltimore looks ready to kick it away. Manning stands back to field the kick. This will be down to the end zone for a touchback. The Bears turn the ball over on an interception their last time out. And they got him.
It's so frustrating for an offense when they think they know what's going to happen with a specific blitz package. You work against it all week. You come out in the game and you fail to execute the protection, and your quarterback pays the price. Jay Cutler has a reputation as a bit of a wild thrower. Sometimes, I don't know, maybe it looks like he's almost aiming the ball. If he just relaxes and just goes back to the fundamentals of his mechanics, I think he'd be fine.
The coaches have to be disappointed with that effort.
Yeah, their poor defense didn't even have time to go and get a glass of water. All of a sudden, the punter's back on the field, and the defense has to go play again.
And it calls for the fair catch. First down, 10 to go. Ball on the 47-yard line. Good coverage downfield. He's brought down at about the 45-yard line by Bowman.
They were trying to work that ball down the field. There really wasn't anything there. They dump it off, and not much underneath either.
It's second down and 8 to go. So the ball on the 45. Fires it deep down the middle. Ravens in for 6. This one's getting out of hand. Complete disaster on the field. Point after is good. Baltimore is ready to kick it away. Knox is back to receive the kick. He'll down it in the end zone. Let's see if the offense can put something together on this drive. The offense will start at the 20-yard line. And we'll have a first down and 10. Gives it off. He's tackled at about the 21 by number 53. And from their own 21-yard line. The Ravens will take their final timeout. It's second down and 9 to go. Ball on their own 21. Forte again. He doesn't get back to the line. Still a half to play, but they really have taken control of this one. Our score, the Ravens, 41. The Bears, nothing. Burgess was there for the stop. They'll go to work at the 17-yard line. It's first and 10. Forte gets it on the inside. The stop was made by Corey Redding. Second down and 9. Has a man short to his left. And there's the flag. And we're going to have our first penalty. And I have a feeling this one is coming back. That'll bring up second and long after the penalty.
Stop moving.
Has a seam down the middle. Picked off. Devin Hester was there to bring him down. The Ravens have taken it away twice on interceptions in this ballgame. Gives it left side. It's getting ugly. Another touchdown. And it's another touchdown.
Man, that is just pure speed. And when you have jets like that, it really throws a bit of fear into a defense because they know you have the ability to make a play from anywhere on the field.
Cundiff tacks on the extra point. Cundiff will be kicking off. Manning is deep, looking to return the kickoff. The Bears come back out looking for better results than their last time on the field. They'll start this drive at the 16. First down and 10. Forte takes it up the middle. From up here, he looks like he may have been offside. He was just a bit early on the snap there.
Yeah, he left yesterday. The offense is going to gladly take those 5 yards every single time.
Oh, yeah, it was me. My fault.
He loads up for the deep throw. They picked it off. He's dropped down at about the 47-yard line by Knox. Now we have a first down and 10 to go. Rice gets the ball. He's wrestled down around the 27-yard line by Tino Isamoa. Throws it to the middle. He catches it and is tackled immediately.
The Ravens are continuing to find success throwing the ball. The pass protection is solid, and the defense with a very conservative approach playing off these receivers, allowing them to get open.
Fakes the handoff and scans the field. Look out, heavy pressure on him.
Number 5, the ball carrier. Gain of 1.
Joe
Maybe
Frazier.
2.5 yards from the goal line now. and throws to the left side. Makes the catch, but hold on, they'll talk about it. They give him the score. Condon has the extra point.
You thought that'd be incomplete pass?
So,
No.
time winding down
No.
to the third.
That was touchdown
Ravens,
pass.
55. The Bears, nothing. The Bears want to get better results from this series. Their last one ended with a turnover. They'll start at the 16-yard line. First down, 10 to go. And he's crushed as he lets it go.
Under pressure, he felt the heat that time and was forced to throw it away quickly.
Second down and 7 yards to go. The ball is on their own 16. Looks right. Throws.
Oh my Lord, that should have been tackled.
Bob, 31.
That would have been
By
sacked.
Landry. And we'll have a first down and 10.
That would have been sacked.
Ball on their own 31. They give it off here.
The Bears offense has had trouble getting really anything going with the ground game, and that run actually was a pretty decent gain, so maybe they'll get something going now.
By the ball, Hawkett and Reed was there for the stop. Third down now. They'll need about 3 yards to convert for a new set of downs. They tackle it for a loss. And that'll bring this quarter to an end, and our score is the Ravens, 55. The Bears, nothing. The Bears will probably air it out here in the fourth quarter, but a full comeback is unlikely. Signals for the fair catch. At the 26-yard line. They'll set up shop at the 26-yard line. It's first and 10. Rice takes a handoff. He's looking for a burst of speed. And they finally make the stop at the 39-yard line. Good gain on the ground, which will set up another first and 10. Fires a strike to the right. He's brought down around the 21-yard line by Manning. First down and 10. He's searching for a receiver. Right through his hands. He almost had the pick. Rice was the intended receiver. So they'll face a second and 10. The ball sits on the 21. Rice on a counter left side. Makes it out to about the 7. Chris Harris was there to bring him down. It's first down and goal. 2 minutes left in the ball game.
Don't get out of the game plan, man.
Flips it out short to his left. And they will add to this already huge lead.
It hasn't exactly been a shootout today, that's for sure, but sometimes that's just how it goes in the NFL.
And he adds the point after. Baltimore is ready to kick this one off. Manning stands back to field the kick. This will be down to the end zone for a touchback. They had to punt it away on their previous drive. They'll take over at the 20. Now we have a first down and 10 to go. Cutler with the draw play.
Did you see how fast that linebacker was on that one? Not only did he recognize it, But when he did recognize it, he had the explosiveness to get
Let's
there.
go.
Under heavy pressure. Going with the hurry up here. And I guess at this point it couldn't hurt. Running out of time. And that will bring up a critical 4th down. They need to find a way to convert this one. Looks to throw. It's a jailbreak. They get back there for the safety. Maynard gets set to kick this one away after the safety. He's tackled right around the 40-yard line by Bullocks. The offense will take over at the 40. 1st down, 10 to go. And he's finally dropped at the 24-yard line.
And you really have to look at your safety play anytime somebody makes a run of that distance. Because the very essence of playing the safety position is you have to be the last guy to protect your end zone.
Goes through his progression. Makes the grab near the sideline, but no signal yet. That'll make it 2nd down with 10 to go. Ball on the 24-yard line. Passes out to his right. Chris Harris was there for the stop.
And that was a little hum baby coming out of there from the quarterback. We've all heard about how strong his arm is, and we saw it there.
Still looking for an open man. The defender tips it away. I thought for sure they'd try to run out the clock.
Well, you want to stay aggressive, but that is the risk that you run when you throw the football there, because an incompletion means the clock stops, and that hurts.
Halfback gets the ball, and he finds the end zone. The Ravens will take their 2nd time out of the half.
No need to give it to a fullback down here on the goal line with this team when they've got a halfback that can cram it in there like that.
Extra point is good. Condon is just about ready to kick this one away. Manning is back to receive the kick. He'll down it in the end zone. On their previous possession, they gave up the safety. Let's see if they have more luck on this drive. He throws short.
And it just goes to show that arm strength isn't everything. Accuracy and touch is something that is so
2nd
important
down
for a quarterback.
Fires a laser down the middle. It's picked off, and that ought to do it. And the tackle was made by Matt Forte. The Ravens defense has had a good showing against the pass. They have 4 interceptions. Good coverage downfield. Throws to his right. The stop was made by Brian Urlacher. A gain of 9 yards on the play. The Ravens will take their final timeout. Short yardage situation here, 2nd and a yard. Surveys the field. And for some reason, they passed the ball, and that will stop the clock. I'm not sure what they were thinking.
You and I have watched enough football over the years that if you try to get inside the heads of these head coaches, it's a frightening place sometimes.
And looks left. Throws. And they will add to this already huge lead.
It hasn't exactly been a shootout today, that's for sure, but sometimes that's just how it goes in the NFL.
And the point after is good. Baltimore looks ready to kick it away. Manning is deep, looking to return the kickoff. This will be down to the end zone for a touchback. The offense will start at the 20-yard line. And we'll have a first down and 10. In heavy traffic. And they got him. That'll do it from M&T Bank Stadium. Right here for top highlights and stats. And let's take a look at the Gatorade Performer of the Game.